So I'm Gunjan Sachdev from Panasonic and I'm heading Toughbook division in India. So just we'll give you a brief what actually we are doing. So just play small attention. What is Toughbook and Toughpad? As name suggests, these are very ruggedized and high quality, very high reliable devices which gives the access to your staff, to your applications in the areas where other traditional devices fails. That's a basic, very layman language. So if suppose you're using paper and pencil in some environment where you think that in this environment or in this harsh condition, no devices can work. So we have to take inputs in paper pencil, then go back to office in the evening and then input it. So then just rethink, because we have the devices which can work very well in those conditions. So our company was founded by a very famous person, Masushita, Mr. Masushita's son, and now we will be completing 100 years in 2018. Which is like security, PBX, plasma, avionics, battery system, and this is Toughbook, very, very high-end solutions, and in which we command the maximum market share. In this ruggedized market, so we are specializing only in ruggedized market. We are not in commercial tablets or commercial laptops. We're just specializing in this division of ruggedized, and we have over 65% market share. So we have been there in this market for last 17 years and are commanding this market share year on year basis. And this is a big market. So almost Panasonic Toughbook we are selling almost 8 lakh units per annum. And business is close to more than 12,000 crores worldwide. This is our full range of products, and we have starting from very, let's say 5 inches device to 15 inches device. So people would like, some people want to carry only laptop. We have laptops. Some people want to carry laptop convertible to tablet. We have that solution. Some people just want to carry only tablet. So in tablet also we have different dimensions, 10 inches, 7 inches, and newly which we are going to launch is 5 inches, which is launched in Japan already. So this gives us full solution, like if customer wants what type of device, what level of ruggedness also, like we have ruggedness level also, fully rugged, semi-rugged, business rugged. So depending on your requirement, we can suggest the right possible solution, right device for the application. Some of the common problems which are being faced in survey and mapping sector. First, downtimes. Because you're working in harsh condition, what about downtimes? Second, still in many areas you're using paper pencil and coming back to office in the evening. To manage multiple platform, one for taking dimension, one computing, 2-3 devices, how much devices you can carry. Battery, very big thing, 3 to 4 hours drainage, mostly in all the devices. Then accuracy, what is accuracy? Sunlight readability, because you're working in extreme temperatures. Sometimes in India, temperature goes up to 45, 48, 49 also. So in that, do you have to go to under let's say tree or whatever? So those are sunlight readability. Application integration, this is a very basic issue. You have some own application. Can that be integrated with the devices? Yes or no? Device life. Once you bought some device, it should give you ROI. 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, that's the maximum life which actually normal devices have to be used, let's say, by survey and mapping sector. Security, very important, because data is very, very secure. It should not be taken out. And what is weight? Because you're going into sometime very, very forest or desert or very harsh conditions. The weight what is the weight? So what solution we bring in is our devices, first of all, are integrated device. So we have displayed some of the few devices here and some are in our booth also. These are integrated platform. So they have computing inside into this, which is Windows platform, Intel latest processor. So no need of carrying so many devices, because what is needed is, let's say, 3G connectivity, inbuilt, GPS, inbuilt, any ports, let's say USB or let's say LAN or serial card, inbuilt, security, fingerprint, inbuilt, smart card feature, inbuilt, sunlight readability, you can view easily from any angle. They can work in extreme sunlight. Temperature, no worry. From minus 30 degrees to plus 60 degree, you can use these devices. Then life is 5 years, and we are giving inbuilt warranty of 3 years, extendable to 5 years. So because we are confident that they will not fail less than 7 years. So even you can use 24 into 7 because we are giving hot swappable option. So even you use 24 into 7 hours, nothing will happen. So because that is why we are giving this very, very high reliable computing devices. So this is some technology which I've just talked about. Is now in the latest devices, you have to, if you're taking some data from the field, you need to send. So we are also giving a very, let's say, tough fight are ABGN, and now we have come with the concept of AC also, which can send, let's say, huge data in, let's say, 500 MB transfer. What we are showing is in less than 5 seconds. GPS, again, very important component. So we give with uBlocks 8, we are able to give accuracy of less than 5 meters. So this is what we are trying to offer is a single integrated solution, single integrated device which can give everything inbuilt. So you need not carry GPS device separate, computing device separate, internet device separate, and then integrate with wires. Everything inbuilt. So these are our 8 key technologies which I have talked about, and why we are able to make these devices so high reliable is because we are designing, manufacturing, everything we are doing in-house in Japan, no outsourcing, and that's why our devices are 7 times more reliable than any other commercial devices. These are our dock solutions, and so like you can have dock, you can have strap. So this is a full solution we can give. It's not just like only devices. They can be docked on the vehicle also. So we give the full dock, you can put it in the vehicle, you can key lock, and you can drive the vehicle also, whether it's a Jeep or car, whatever. So I'll just close this presentation. Any questions and views you have, you can come to our booth, and I'll just show you one 2-minute video which will just give you clarity what actually I was talking about. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So thank you very much. Myself and Manish are there on the booth, and any questions, any doubts you have over this, we can discuss it more. And one more thing is that if you would like to test these devices in your own applications, you can put, and without any charge, our technical person can come and you can check it in live in your application, in your environment.